release all kinds of stress. Bitawan mo na kaibigan sa iyong kaliwang kamay lahat ng iyong problema. Bitawan mo na lahat ng negative vibration. Bitawan mo na kaibigan ngayon na sa iyong kaliwang kamay. And grab the big opportunity, the big enhance the positive flow of magic energy is into your right hand. Concentrate with your meditation technique. This time, sarado ang tenga and use your imagination. You're alone at the top of the mountain. Kunin mo ang imahinasyon mo na ikaw ay nag-iisa sa tuktok ng bundok. Just close your eyes. Wala kayong naririnig. Just only the meditation technique. A simple way to release all kinds of ailments. Palakasin mo ang iyong enerhiya. Palakasin mo ang iyong kabataan. The anti-aging breath-in method of exercise. Tai Chi. Continues with the breathing technique in 5 seconds. Just follow me. Close your eyes. Deep breathing. Inhale, nostril. Malalim na hinga. Tukod ang dulo ng dila sa siling ng iyong mouth. Huwag kang lulunok ng laway. Then hold your breath. 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. This time, ibuga sa bibig. Exhale to your mouth by using the Om sound. Exhale sa bibig. Ibuga mo ang bloated na tiyan. Ibuga mo ang basurang hangin na yung nasa air sacs. One more time. Deep breathing. Inhale sa ilong. Paliitin ang tiyan habang nag-i-inhale. Mahalin mo yung bituka. 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Release through your mouth. Exhale the Om sound. Deep penetration technique. One more time. Deep breathing. Inhale. Hold your breath. 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Then exhale. Okay, the meditation technique. This time, open your eyes, dahan-dahan. So the proper concentration, you need to release all the negative vibration. Okay, deep breathing, inhale, shoulder up. Taas ang balikat. And exhale sa bibig. Go for the hair. Go! Ha! Inhale, shoulder up. Hold your breath. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Exhale through your mouth. Go for the hair! Go! Okay, just hold my signal. Okay, pag sabi ko go for the hair, go! Pag sabi ko go, kanya ano? Okay. One more time. So, yung position.